Magandang hapon, narito na ang 2 PM Lotto Result. Araw ng Sabado, September 28, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM Draw 2 and 8 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM Draw 3, 2 and 2 in exact order. Ngayong gabi sa Lotto 642 na may estimated jackpot of 8 million at sa Mega Lotto 655 na may estimated jackpot of 29 million. Panoorin natin ang live broadcast every 2 PM, 5 PM at 9 PM. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.